Hi folks, welcome back. Skip here from Woodworking UK, and welcome back to Skip's Tips. Now I've got a job on at the minute, so I thought I'd bring it in on it, where I need to cut 20 of these arch shapes out of plywood, and I want them all perfect. I want them all to be exactly the same. So what I've done, I've cut this one, took my time with that one, cut it out on the bandsaw, sanded it, smoothed it out. Now that is perfect to what I want. Now I need another 19 exactly the same as that. So what I've done, I've drawn around them on some more bits of ply, then gone around, let's find one there, look, go around with the bandsaw and rough cut them. You see there's my pencil line. I've just gone a couple of mil off it, but you don't have to be too careful, just 2 or 3 mil off it. Get them all rough cut like that, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now I've come over to my router table. You can do this with a handheld router, but I just prefer to do it in the table. Here's my rough cut piece. I've put a bit of double-sided tape on there, look. Just peel the backing off that. Then take your one that you've already got spot on, your template. Stick that down on your double-sided tape. So now you've got a template to work to that's stuck. You see you've got 2 or 3 mil all the way around just sticking out there. Right, now let me show you, let me take it out of here and show you what bit I've got here in my router table. Where are we? Sorry, set the camera around, there we go, look. That there is a bearing guided, some people call them a flush trim or a pattern bit. Basically it's a straight router bit. Is that focusing? Basically you've got a straight router bit as your cutters look with a bearing on the top. So that bearing rides around your pattern and the cutter trims off anything that's flush with your pattern. So here we go. Excuse the noise. You see what we've got there is a perfect copy of that first pattern. Separate it. You don't have to use double-sided tape. Some people use hot glue, you know, hot melt glue out of a glue gun. Whatever, as long as it's something you can separate. So now I've got a perfect copy of my first pattern. Then all you need to do is repeat for however many of them you want. So it just saves you. Obviously that one took me a good probably 10 minutes because I'm careful trimming right just outside my line with my bandsaw and then sanding it till it was perfect. That one, rough cut, what, 10-20 seconds on bandsaw. A few more seconds on router table. Now that's exactly the same as that. Just all these to go. So if you want, don't work so well for sort of really big bits. It's awkward to get in your router table, but you can sit your big bit on your table, put your pattern on top, use your router in your hand and go around with the bearing. You can also get, have I got one? No, so I thought I might have one. You can also get them with the bearing on the shaft end of the router cutter so that you can sit your pattern on top of things and go around that way. It's dead same, just the bearings on the other end of the cutter, that's all. So thanks for watching folks.